Welcome to another episode of me finding my sound. If you're new to the series, this is the fourth part and this is what we have discovered today. I have some crazy boom bap drums. Okay, let me chop this shit up. Now you create a bass. We need to sidechain shit. Okay, we're getting somewhere. This is not supposed to be a crazy song, but I'm trying to experiment with as much sounds as I can and trying to make as much weird stuff as I can so that I can figure out where I can hop on. And this song has a very alien feel to it. There are other videos of me messing with my sound जो तुम check out कर सकते हो after you watch this video, and here's the result.